Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I have this vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to do some DIYs with this vase. And we're doing regular DIY today. Today's Wednesday, but we're doing a regular DIY. So I'm going to use some of this black acrylic paint. And we are going to paint this vase. And I have two of them to paint. Alright everyone, I'm going to try and paint inside, which wasn't working too well. So I'm just going to squirt the paint in. And then I'm going to turn it, let the paint coat the bottle. It's easier at the bottom of the bottle like this, because my paintbrush won't reach all the way down. So it takes some time, but it does move. And now I'm just going to squirt some more. And now I'm just going to use my paintbrush and fill in the space. And then I'm just going to set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, now it's all dry. I'm going to be using some of this Bling ribbon that we have here in gold. And I am going to use some hot glue and glue it down our vase. If this is your first time on my channel, I would like to say welcome and thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I have to share today. And I do hope you will hit that subscribe button so you'd see more of the DIYs I have to share. And I hope you give me a thumbs up for today's video also. And to my oldies but goodies that are always clicking on when they see my DIYs pop up, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys more than you know.
If I didn't lie, you would be here now. And I respect that you didn't take that from me.
Now I'll be using some of our gold bling chain that I have here from Beebeecraft. And we're going to be using some E6000 and glue the chain on both sides of our gold ribbon.
Need you to understand just what I mean when I say.
And all the items I'm using in today's DIYs will be listed down below underneath the video. On some people's device, it has show more. You click that and it will open up the box down below. Or some people, there's just a little arrow that's going up and an arrow that's going down. Just click that little arrow and it will open up the box and you can see everything I have in my description box. And at the dollar store I found these cute little candle holders. Aren't they nice? This is a nice shape. So I'm just going to use some glue and glue our two pieces together. Oh yeah, before that, I totally forgot. I have these cute little butterfly and bee gems from Totally Dazzled in the gold. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue them onto our container. And now I'm going to glue the candle holder on the bottom. And now for DIY number 2. Remember I told you it's 2 candle holders I have? So this one's all painted and dry. So I'll be using some of this silver bling sheet, also from Beebeecraft. And it has a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to glue it, we're just going to run it right around the top part of our candle holder. And now I have another one of those candle holders I was showing you from the Dollar Tree. I like how they look so cute. So I'm going to use some more of our bling sheet, which I cut into strips, and just add them to decorate the bottom part of this candle holder. So I need some more, so I'm just going to cut another strip off of our bling sheet. And I'm I'm just going to place it around the top part, the very top of this candle holder. And then I'll take our two finished pieces and use some glue and glue them together. And here's the finished look of our candle holders. I love how they turned out, one in gold and one in silver. I love the gold and black and with the bumblebees and the butterfly, I think it looks super cute. And our black and silver. I love this one. It's not too fussy, but it looks elegant. I love how this one turned out. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you. Two nice candle holders using items from the Dollar Tree and more. Simple things and turn them into elegant looking things. And if you're new here, I would like to say welcome, and I do hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button on your way out. And I hope everyone gives me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY idea that I had to share with you guys today. And once again, all the items that I used today on these two DIYs, the items from Beebeecraft and everything, will be listed down below in the description box. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.